Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to send our picture in Photopea software. So get started. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see send our picture in Photopea software. Now we're going to the open from picture. Now click from file menu option. Then click. Now click from open and place option. Now you select from picture. Now select from picture. Now click for open option. Now you can see. Now resize your picture. Now click from confirm option. Now you select from layer. Now keyboard press from control. Now select from all layer. Now you can see now going to the alignment option. And select from align left edge option and center horizontally and align right edge, and now click from center horizontally. That is. Now you can see center picture in Photopea software is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.